Legendary Manchester United boss Sir Alex Ferguson was not afraid to let the hairdryer loose, even after a pre-season friendly. The infamous shouting treatment was given to many Red Devils players during the Scots' time in charge at Old Trafford, with just a select few avoiding Fergie's anger. Generally, Ferguson saved the hairdryer for the moments that mattered. Big games and painful losses saw the ex-United boss, who departed in 2013, let his players know exactly what he was feeling. Though Fergie also turned the power up full in preseason as he prepared his troops for another tilt at Premier League and European success. The one I clearly remember, we played Stoke away in a friendly, former Old Trafford youth prospect Daniel Nardiello explained to I was injured for 2 weeks prior and hadn't had a training session. But we were short on players and I had to be on the bench for the first team. I came on and I could barely run, I was unfit, really unfit. I'd missed the beginning of preseason and was super unfit. After the game he just went mental at me because I wasn't fit enough. I just remember him screaming at me and telling me I need to do a lot more to make it at the club. He had a quiet word with me afterwards, it was always an education. I can't remember the score, but there were plenty of people who got the hairdryer treatment. I saw many a time he lost the plot in the changing room, which was always interesting. Fergie's tactics seemed to work as he guided United to 13 Premier League titles, with the Scot widely regarded as one of the best managers of all time. And Nardiello recalled one moment following defeat to rivals Manchester City where the dressing room was an awkward place to be. He added, I remember being in the changing room after that game. Fergie was going mad at certain players, Gary Neville was one of them. But I was just sitting in the corner, I was 17 or 18, in my shell, trying to hide away. It was a bit of an eye-opener seeing that because there were players there with Fergie going mad at the performance and score, it was something I'd never forget.
Now